Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Settings on your iPhone and tap Personal Hotspot. Turn the hotspot on and choose a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Check your iPhone supports 5 GHz if available, and verify your TV can join a 2, 4 or 5 GHz network. Confirm your carrier plan and monthly data cap before streaming or large downloads. Remember, streaming video uses about 3 GB per hour for HD quality. Keep your phone charged and near the TV for a stable signal. If your TV supports AirPlay, open Control Center on the iPhone and choose Screen Mirroring. Select your Apple TV or AirPlay-compatible TV from the available devices list. For direct Wi-Fi tethering, open the TV Wi-Fi menu and select the iPhone Hotspot SSID. Enter the hotspot password exactly to connect. Bluetooth tethering is an alternative, but offers limited bandwidth and higher latency. Use Bluetooth only for menus or light browsing, not for streaming high-quality video. For the most stable connection, connect the iPhone to the TV with a Lightning to USB cable. Some smart TVs accept USB tethering and will detect the iPhone as a network source. If your TV supports video over USB, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for mirrored video without Wi-Fi. Restart both the iPhone and TV if they cannot connect, and forget the network before retrying. Reduce interference by keeping the iPhone 3 to 4 feet from the TV and avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.